Be ready? Start. Mr. Chairman, my honorable friend, the Food Minister, apologized for bringing in this measure at so late an hour, but he has given us no adequate reason for not having placed it before Parliament much earlier. Stop. When did the government become aware of the fact that food prices were rising? Question mark. We have been aware of it for months. Stop. I think the finance minister too has expressed apprehensions more than once with regard to the rise in food prices, but the food minister himself has, I believe, consistently minimized the seriousness of the food situation. Stop. The price statistics have shown clearly for some time that prices were rising and that in spite of the opening of fair price shops and the other measures that government took, there was no sign that the prices would be stabilized. Stop. In spite of all that the government did, it was clear that prices were showing a tendency to rise. Stanza. There is one other fact that I should like to bring to the notice of the House in this connection. Stop. Government, realizing that the position was becoming very difficult, has taken steps to secure food grains from other countries. Stop. So far as I know, it has entered into an agreement with Japan to get 2 million tons of rice from her during the 7th 5-year plan period. Stop. It has also taken steps to get, I think, about 3 million tons of food grains from America and perhaps from Australia too. Stop. The total quantity of food grains thus ordered is about 5.5 million tons. Stop. Under the agreement that they have entered into, they can even obtain, I think, about 80 or 90,000 tons more, or even a little more, perhaps about 1 million tons more. Stop. They therefore knew that the present situation would soon become more difficult in the near future. Stop. That is why they took steps to enter into an agreement with other countries to obtain the food supplies badly needed by the country. Stop. Yet the food minister comes to us at the 11th hour and wants the bill to be discussed as an emergency measure. Stop. Is this, sir, fair to the House? Question mark. There may be hoarding and it may have to be dealt with, but I object very strongly to the procedure that the government has adopted. Stop. This is not the first time, sir, that the government of India have acted in this manner. Full stop. Over.